Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna present you a new website. So it's called HostFav. So like usual, let me give you a short idea about this website. The HostFav is a web hosting provider that offers various hosting services for individuals and businesses. To get started with this website, simply head on over to HostFav, hostfav.com in Google, of course. So this is all the results I got after my CSS. We need this one, the official site, HostFav, include LXC and KVM, VPS, shared and reseller. So we are in the present page of the HostFav. Like you see with me here, there is a lot of information and services and some plans. Here the Linux shared hosting, Windows shared hosting, include VPS Linux LXC and include VPS Windows Linux with different prices over here. To get started for the first time in this Windows, in this website, sorry, you need first to choose a plan. Okay, let's try with this one. And then the hosting plans and percent over here we need to try. We have the T9, the medium, and the large. Okay, here the services that we get after order, and this price here per month and other informations and services. So let's try with the tiny one. The first step, we need to choose a domain right here. If you will register a new domain, you will write it here. It should be valuable, and then you will check out. If you gonna transfer your domain from another register, you will do it from here. If you have already in one, you will just write it here like I just did, and then use it. Do it for a moment. So the second step, to configure that desired option and continue to check out. Okay. The third step is to review and the checkout. Okay, we have here dedicated IPv4 for hosting, and this price over here. We need, if you have a promo code or coupon code, you will just write it over here and validate the code. If you don't have, just skip it and check out. So the shared hosting in this website is provides shared hosting plans that are suitable for small to medium-sized websites. Shared hosting allows multiple websites to share resources on a single server, making it cost-effective hosting options. So we are in the last one, the last step. We need to enter personal details and real information to check out. So let's get first name, the last name, the email address. You need here to write your phone number, then the billing address, the company name. It's optional. When you find this word, that means you can skip this step, and then the street address and the second street address. Then you need to write your city, and be careful, all this information should be correct and valuable. And here to select the region, and here the postal code or the zip code, and then you will just select the the country over here. It's already in United States, So we have here some information about payment card. No, the accounts. And here you need to choose password and confirm it. That means just rewrite it. And you need to choose the preferred method to pay. That means you want to pay with PayPal or credit card. Like you see here, if you want to pay with PayPal, you need to write this additional note. If you want to pay with credit card, you need to write your card number. You can find this front of the card. It's contained in 14 numbers. Then the expiry date, here the month and the year, and the CVV or CVC code. You will find this behind the card, the 3 last numbers. If you don't know how, just click on where you can find this. And enter a name for this card, optional. If you have one, so write it. If you don't have one, just skip it. And you will save card for faster checkout in future. You will plus yes or no. So some additional notes, you can enter any additional note or information you want included with your order here. It's independent on you. You can just skip it. And here we would like to send you occasional news, information and special offers by email. To join our mailing list, simply tick the box below. You can unsubscribe at any time. So if you want to receive emails from this website, you will plus yes. If you don't want, just plus no. And then you need to have read and agree to the term of service, and then you will complete the order. I cannot do that because there is a lot of information I didn't enter. So let's back to the present page to know more about HostFav. So the VPS hosting in this website offers virtual private service VPS hosting, which provides a dedicated resource and more control compared to shared hosting. VPS hosting is ideal for websites with higher traffic or specific resource requirements. Okay, let's just click on home to go faster. And like you see with me here, we have dedicated server. The HostFav provides dedicated server hosting, where you have an entire server dedicated to your website or application. Dedicated server offer maximum performance, control, and scalability, making them suitable for large websites or resource-intensive applications. And also we have SSL certificated. The HostFav includes free SSL certificated with their hosting plans. The SSL certificated enables secure encrypted communication between your website and its visitors, improving security and trust. And the last thing we're gonna talk about it today is this support. The HostFav customer supports around the clock to assist you with any hosting related issue or inquiries. Support can be accessed through various channels like live chat, phone, and support and tickets. So this is all today. Please guys, if you like the video and get understand, subscribe and follow for more. So like usual, bye bye to the next video, and the next website. Please tell to stay healthy until that time.